Fire Escape Academy inspector training video. Here we are in Indianapolis, Indiana, and we're here on Meridian in Washington, one of the back alleyways. You're looking at an existing fire escape that must be either load tested or refurbished in Louisville load test in order to pass a typical 5-year inspection. Just looking at it to see if there's any evidence of any maintenance. Usually these 50 to 75-year-old fire escapes have some evidence of maintenance, and you would see that on the treads, but everything looks like original hardware. Got rust in all the treads, so it doesn't look like anybody's been refurbishing any of these parts. You got a lot of the connections on the side is welded connections, tiebacks into the building, evidence of water intrusion. You got a lot of rusty tiers coming down. The ladder here has a hook on it, so it does look like it does drop correctly to the ground. But this fire escape doesn't have any evidence that I could see as an evidence of any maintenance in its 50 to 75-year life. It looks like some of the grating got swapped out, because a lot of times this is older grating. I mean, newer grating is this style, but it doesn't have any evidence that it's done any maintenance work of any kind, any structural. So a lot of times you would see, you know, older connections still there, for example, not being rebolted, redone. So this fire escape probably wouldn't pass a current load test unless some refurbishment happened. So you can also do that. You can refurbish, for example, all the treads and then just load test the platforms. Or in lieu of any expensive load test, you can refurbish the treads, refurbish the platforms, and then the engineer would most likely convince the fire marshal that you do not need a load test because the fire escape has been 100% refurbished. Fire Escape Academy inspector training videos. We're here in Indianapolis, Indiana. Any questions? 800-649-3333.